In the freezing gray waters of the White Sea, a monster awakens. For over 25 years, it lay dormant, rusting, silent, almost forgotten. Some thought it would never rise again, but now in 2025, a Cold War relic has returned, transformed into the most heavily armed surface combat ship in the world. This is the story of the Admiral Nakhimov, Russia's nuclear-powered guided missile cruiser. Once a titan of the Soviet Navy, now reborn with enough firepower to challenge Nato fleets, defend against entire waves of aircraft and missiles, and strike targets thousands of kilometers away. No ordinary warship, no ordinary modernization. This is now the most heavily armed surface combat ship in the world, carrying enough missiles to rewrite the balance of naval warfare. So, those included testing propulsion systems and several